Oh, hello there. It's John from Barefoot Accounting. Today I thought to talk about Making Tax Digital, or MTD as it's affectionately known. It's quite likely you haven't heard about this, but bear in mind it will start being rolled out from April and will eventually affect every business. I thought it was worthwhile doing a quick overview. There is a caveat that there's a lot of details that are still to be ironed out. So anything I say is subject to change, but I thought it was worth giving you a bit of a heads up on it. So what actually is it? The idea of Make Tax Digital is that rather than doing an annual tax return where you put all your figures in, almost up to a year after the end of the tax year and send it all off, is to be replaced by digitally uploading financial information to HMRC throughout the year. The idea being everyone knows what your tax position is. And I suppose it ultimately should streamline things. So, who's going to be affected? Well, it's going to be any business, including sole traders, but it's going to be rolled out from April. So in April 19, it's going to be those who are above the VAT registration threshold. From April 20, it will be anyone who's VAT registered. And after that, it'll be all businesses, whether who aren't registered for VAT or sole traders will come on as well. You can, I think there's going to be options to voluntarily register it if you wish to. So how does it work? Basically, you'll have to use software to upload your financial information to HMRC quarterly. HMRC aren't providing the software to do this, so it's up to you or your accountant to take care of that one. There are loads of software providers on the market, and some of them have successfully been updating already to HMRC, so it proves it works. And I believe there's a plugin for Excel being worked on at the moment as well. The thing that's a bit more interesting about this is it isn't just the idea of doing the submissions. You're not allowed to kind of get a bit of software, type in the figures, or even copy and paste. It's got to be a flow of information sort of automatically from your accounting or bookkeeping system into another bit of software if required, and then straight into HMRC's mothership. So it begs the question, what do you do about it now? How urgent really depends on your type of business and when it's all coming into force. But things to consider are the software you're using, if you are using any or if you're planning on using any, because you might want to check that it is going to be compatible, or you've got the faith that whoever's providing it is going to make it compatible with HMRC. The other one is perhaps more dear to my heart, and is more for those of you who maybe leave your accounts and your tax return to the last month before the deadline and do a big panic and try and do everything in a wanna. That's not really going to serve you so well in this brave new world. You're going to have to, and I think this will be the main stumbling block for a lot of people. So what you need to do is maybe start looking at how you deal with your finances. Try and get in the habit of doing things monthly or quarterly, so that when it comes in, you're going to be prepared. And it's a way I really recommend you work anyway. Anyway, I hope this serves you. Take care now, and I'll see you next time.